children? So far we have completed the rational and irrational numbers and how to rationalize the irrational numbers, rationalizing numerator and denominators, and how to find the square roots of the binomials is all we have learnt. So real number chapter is over. Now we go for another chapter, that is second chapter of your textbook. That is, I'll announce the name of the topic. Let me say some terms, technical terms or mathematical terms which are belong to algebra. So what are terms? Terms means we know that 3x, 4x, 5x, 7x, 8y, 3y, 4y, these are terms. Generally, terms, the group of terms will form the expression. What is expression? Expression consists of some terms, group of terms. Group of terms. What is algebraic expression? So the group of terms that are connected with the signs plus or minus is called an algebraic expression. What is an algebraic expression? Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? The group of terms of expression connected with the signs plus and minus is called algebraic expression. Example, 2x plus 3y plus 4z. This is algebraic expression. Why it is expression? This is group of some terms. Group of terms form the expression. Why it is algebraic expression? The group of terms are connected by the signs plus 2x plus 3y plus 4z. Similarly, one more example, 5x minus 2y minus 4z. This is also algebraic expression. Why it is algebraic expression? The terms of expression are connected with the signs plus and minus only. Such expression is called algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Suppose this is, what is this term? 2x. Before any term, no sign is given, that should be considered as plus. 2x is there. In 2x, what is 2x? Plus 2x or minus 2x? We consider this is plus 2x. The sign of the term always should be the left of it. Left of it. 2x is there. 2x left side is this. No sign means that is plus 2x. This is what? Minus 3y. Where is minus is situated here? Left of this term. Left of the term. Always the sign of the term always will be written the left side of it. Minus 3y. 3y side is minus. No sign is given, that should be considered as plus. That should be considered as plus. So, what is algebraic expression? So, algebraic expression means the terms of the expression that are connected with the signs plus and minus is called algebraic expression. Types of algebraic expressions. Types of algebraic expression. Types of algebraic expression. With respect of number of terms. With respect of number of terms. So let us say we know that monomial. Second, binomial. Third, trinomial. Fourth, multinomial. What is monomial? Monomial means an algebraic expression having a single term. An algebraic expression having a single term is called monomial. Mono means one. Monomial. What is monomial algebraic expression? Monomial means an algebraic expression having a single term is called monomial. Example, minus 3x monomial. 4y minus 3p by 2. These are monomials. monomial. What is monomial? An algebraic expression having a single term is called monomial. Second, binomial. Binomial means an algebraic expression having two terms. An algebraic expression having two terms is called binomial. 2x minus 3y minus 2p plus 4q. 3p by 2 minus 4q by 7 is all. Plus 2x minus 3y is there. Two terms are there. How can you count the terms with respect of their signs? We should consider plus and minus signs only. Here only one sign here, minus, single term. Only one sign here, plus, single term. Only one sign here, this is single term. Only one sign means single term. Single term means it is monomial. In case of binomial, as I told that having an algebraic expression having two terms is called binomial. How can you say that it is binomial? You should find out the two signs in the expression. If you find the two signs in the expression, it is binomial. Two signs, it may be plus or minus, not into. Into always represents single. Into represents only single one. So here plus 2x is there. Before 2x what sign here? Plus. Before 3y what sign is there? Minus. Plus minus two signs are there. That is why it is binomial. Here the second example, minus 2p plus 4q. There are two signs, minus and plus. This is binomial. Here also 3p by 2 sign is what? Plus. Before 3p by 2 what sign is there? Nothing means that should be considered as plus. Plus and minus. This is binomial. What is a trinomial? Trinomial means an algebraic expression having three terms. An algebraic expression having three terms is called trinomial. Minus 2p plus 4q minus 7r. This is trinomial. There are three terms. Three signs are there. Minus sign, plus sign, minus sign. Two minus signs, one plus sign. Totally signs how many are there? Three signs are there. Totally three signs are there. That is why it is trinomial. An algebraic expression having three terms is called trinomial. What is multinomial? Multinomial means an algebraic expression having more than three terms. An algebraic expression having more than three terms is called multinomial. Example, x minus y plus z minus 4. This is multinomial. Why it is multinomial? There are more than three signs. Plus, minus, plus, minus. Total signs, plus sign, two plus signs are there, two minus signs are there. Totally, four signs are there. It is more than three. More than three. That is why it is multinomial. One more example. Minus 2p plus 4q minus 7r minus 4. Totally 4 terms are here, 4 signs are there. Minus 2p plus 4q minus 7r minus 4. An algebraic expression having more than 3 terms is called multinomial. Multinomial. So, poly. What is poly? Polynomial. Poly means many. Poly means many. Multi also many only. Multi also many. But multinomial is not polynomial. What is polynomial? Poly means many. Poly means many. Let us discuss about the polynomial. Polynomial. What is polynomial? Polynomial means every algebraic expression is not a polynomial. What is polynomial? An algebraic expression having an algebraic expression in which variables involved have only non-negative exponents. Non-negative exponents is called a polynomial. What is polynomial? What is polynomial? Our chapter is polynomials. Second chapter is polynomials. Polynomials. What is polynomial? What is polynomial? Is every algebraic expression becomes polynomial? Let us see. Polynomial means an algebraic expression in which variables involved have only non-negative exponents. Non-negative means positive. It should have the positive exponents. Positive variables should have positive exponents. Then only it is polynomial. Then only it is polynomial. Every algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Algebraic expression can have negative powers. The algebraic expression whose powers are negative, they are not polynomials. Powers must be positive. Powers must be positive. Then only it is polynomial. So what is polynomial? An algebraic expression in which variables involved have only non-negative exponents. Non-negative exponents is called a polynomial. And algebraic expression in which variables involved have only non-negative exponents. Non-negative means positive powers. An algebraic expression in which variables involved have only non-negative exponents is called a polynomial. Example: 3x plus 4y minus 1. Is it polynomial? Yes, it is polynomial. Why? Every variable, what are the variables here? X and y. So variables having the positive powers, it is polynomial. Minus 2x square plus 3x minus plus 5. Is it polynomial? Yes, it is polynomial. Why? The exponents are what? Here exponent is 2, here exponent is 1. Their exponents are positive. Exponents are positive. It is polynomial. 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 Third one, minus 4x cube minus 2x to the power of minus 2 plus 3x plus 6. Is it polynomial? 4x cube minus 2x to the power of minus 2 plus 3x plus 6. How can you identify the polynomial? Polynomial should have the non-negative exponents. Non-negative means positive exponents. Here x square. Here second term is 2x to the power of minus 2. X power is negative here. It is not positive. It is not positive. When it becomes a polynomial, when it has positive powers. Positive power means non-negative. Non-negative means positive. When it has a positive power, then only it is polynomial. Otherwise, it is not polynomial. It is not polynomial. It is not polynomial. It is not polynomial. One more example. So, is it polynomial? 1 by x to the power of minus 3. 1 by x to the power of minus 3. So 1 by x to the power of minus 3 means what? So when you carry numerator x to the power of minus 3, 1 by x to the power of minus 3, when you carry numerator it becomes what? X cube. You know the formula. 1 by a to the power of minus n. 1 by a to the power of minus n is equal to a power n. Now 1 by x to the power of minus 3 means x cube. X cube means positive power only. Positive power. Positive power. It is polynomial. When it has rational powers, if you find any rational powers, it is not polynomial. Rational powers also. Rational powers. Rational power means, for example, 1 by x to the power of 2 by 3 x cube. These are not. This is not polynomial. This is not polynomial. This is not polynomial. 1 by x to the power of 2 by 3 plus x cube. Only it should have only positive power only. When it has negative power, when it has rational power, it is not polynomial. It is not polynomial. So how can you identify the polynomials? Every algebraic expression must have the positive powers. So an algebraic expression in which variables involved have only non-negative exponents. Non-negative means it should have the positive exponents. Positive exponents. For example, x cube minus plus x to the power of minus 2, x to the power of minus 1 plus 1. Is it polynomial? No. Why? Because so x power is negative and x power also here negative. X power negative minus 2. Here x power negative minus 1. So it has the negative power, so it is not polynomial. So polynomial means this is the definition: an algebraic expression in which variables involved have only non-negative exponents is called a polynomial. This is very important. I hope you understood this polynomial. So every multinomial, every polynomial is a monomial. Every polynomial is a monomial? Yes. Every polynomial is a binomial. Every polynomial is a trinomial. Every polynomial is a multinomial. But converse is not true. Every multinomial is not a polynomial. What is the difference between multinomial and polynomial? Polynomial means many terms. Multinomial also more than 3 terms. When it has 3 terms, it is trinomial. Monomial becomes, every monomial is not a polynomial. Every binomial is not here monomial. 3x to the power minus 1. It is monomial, but it is not polynomial. Why? It is monomial. Algebraic expression having single term is called monomial. But it is not a polynomial. Why? Polynomial should have the positive power. It is having 3x to the power minus 1. X power is negative here. It is monomial, though it is monomial, but it is not polynomial. Why it is not polynomial? It has the negative power. That is why it is not polynomial. Means every monomial need not to become polynomial. So here 3x plus 2y to the power minus 1. This is binomial. Every binomial is a polynomial? No. Because this is binomial. Binomial means number of terms. With respect of the terms, you can decide whether it is monomial or binomial, trinomial. It has 1 term, it is monomial. When it has 2 terms, it is binomial. When it has 3 terms, it is trinomial. When it has more than 3 terms, multinomial. So with respect of the number of terms, you can classify the algebraic expressions. They are monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial. But every monomial is not polynomial. Every binomial is not polynomial. Every trinomial is not polynomial. So when they have becomes polynomial, when they have the positive powers. Why this binomial is not polynomial? Why 3x plus 2y to the power minus 1 is not polynomial? Because the power is negative. So when it becomes the polynomial, when it has the positive powers. This is. So that is why every multinomial, this is 3x square minus 2x plus 3x cube, 2x square, that's 4x. So this is a multinomial. 1, 2, 3, 4, more than 3 times. Is it polynomial? No. Why? Because power having the negative power, its power has the negative integral, minus 2, 2x to the power minus 2. It has negative power, that is why it is not polynomial. So every multinomial is not a polynomial. But every polynomial can be monomial, every polynomial can be binomial, every polynomial can be trinomial, every polynomial can be multinomial. But converse is not true. Every multinomial need not to be a polynomial. Polynomial means you should have one condition. What is the condition? To satisfy the condition that every power should have the positive. If it has positive power, it is only polynomial. So this is a classification of algebraic expressions. Next, polynomial. Generally, polynomials. What is polynomial? Already I told you. I hope you understood the definition of the polynomial. Polynomial means an algebraic expression in which variables involve only non-negative exponents is called a polynomial. Generally, polynomials are represented by p of x, q of x, or r of x. We can name as p of x, q of x, r of x. For example, one polynomial p of x is equal to 3x plus 4. The 3x plus 4 represented by what? P of x. If it is involved in the x, we can say x, p of x. If it is involved in the variable y, p of y. If it is involved in the variable z, p of z. So generally, the polynomials are represented by p of x or p of y or p of z and so on. So classification of polynomials with respect of their degree. What is degree? Degree of the polynomial. Let us discuss about the degree. What is degree? Already you have learned in the lower classes, earlier classes, that is in 8th class degree, about degree. So what is degree of this? This is what singleton. What is this? Monomial. Is it this monomial is polynomial? Yes, it has the positive power. It has the positive power means if it is positive power, whether it is monomial or binomial. We don't consider the number of times, whether it is polynomial or not. When it becomes a polynomial, it should have a positive power. This is positive power. So this degree is what? Degree equal to 1. The highest power, the highest exponent of the algebraic expression is degree. Second example. Now 3x to the power of 4 minus 5x cube plus 6x square. This is polynomial p of x. P of x is equal plus 7x minus 7. What is its degree? Degree of this polynomial. How can you write degree of the polynomial? Degree of the polynomial means the highest power. Highest power. What is the highest power here? The powers are 4, 3, 2, 1 given. Which is the highest here? 4th power. So degree is 4. The highest power, the highest exponent of the expression, the highest exponent of the polynomial becomes the degree. The degree is 4 here. Degree is 4. So in case of monomial like this, 3x cube y square. What is its degree? This is monomial. This is monomial. Single. 3x cube y square. 3x cube y square. P of x is equal. P of x is equal 3x square y cube. This is monomial. What is degree? I already told you degree means the highest power. Which is the highest power here? 3. But it is single term. 3x square y cube. Single term. This is monomial. In case of this is many terms are here. This expression connected with the many terms. Plus 3x to the power of 4 minus 5x cube plus 6x square 7x minus 7. This is a polynomial. This is also polynomial. This is single term. This is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Multinomial this is. Many terms. When it has more than one term, the highest power. When it has more than one term, you take the highest power. It has only single term. How can you say that it is single term? Only one sign here, plus sign. Consider only plus and minus. Here how many terms are there? Plus, minus, plus, plus, minus. Total signs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 signs are here. When it has more than one sign, you take highest power. It has only one sign, 3x square y cube. Before 3x square y cube, what sign here? Plus sign here. So only one sign. In that case, how can you decide the degree? Then degree equal to degree of this monomial. One sign means monomial. Degree of the monomial is the sum of the exponents. Sum of the exponents. X power is 2. Y power is 3. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Therefore, the degree of 3x square y cube is 5. The degree of 3x square y cube is 5. One more example. P of x is equal 2p square cube r to the power of 4. Now degree. Degree of this monomial. Only one sign here. Plus 2p square cube r to the power of 4. Then sum of the powers. Sum of only the single term. 2p square cube r to the power of 4 means 2 into p square into cube into r to the power of 4. Before this term, sign is what? Plus sign. Only one sign is there. That is why it is monomial. In the case of monomial, sum of the powers. Sum of the p power is 2 plus q power is 3, r power is 4. 9. Its degree is 9. Like this, you can decide the degree of monomial. In case of binomial, multinomial, highest exponent. So this is the degree of the polynomial. What is the general form of the polynomial? General form of the polynomial. General form of the polynomial. Generally, the polynomial is represented by, as I told you that p of x, q of x, or r of x like that. P of x is equal to an x power n. This an is the coefficients. An x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x power n minus 2 plus an minus 3 x power n minus 3 plus an minus 4 x to the power of n minus 4, so on till a to the power of 0 till a to the power of 0. This is general form. General form. General form of the polynomial. The general form of the polynomial is what? P of x is equal to a n x power n plus a n minus 1 x power n minus a n means, for example, 7 is there. Next what will come? 7 minus 6 will come. Next what will come? 6 will come here. 7, n is equal to 7. 7 minus 1, 6. 7 minus 2, 5. Like that. So here the general form of the polynomial is a n x power n plus a n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 x power n minus 2, so on plus so on a to the power of 0. This is the general form of the polynomial. So here types of the polynomial with respect of their degrees. With respect of their degrees. With respect of their degrees. Classification of polynomials with respect of degree. Okay, classification of polynomials. Classification of polynomials with respect to degrees. With respect to degrees. First one, linear polynomial. Second one, quadratic polynomial. Third one, cubic polynomial. Fourth one, constant polynomial. Linear means the highest power will be 1. The highest power will be 1. A polynomial whose degree is 1. A polynomial whose degree is 1 is called linear polynomial. Linear, having degree 1. Degree means power. For example, here the general form of the linear polynomial is a plus b. A is not equal to 0. This is linear polynomial. Linear means the highest power will be 1. The polynomial whose degree is 1. A polynomial whose degree is 1 is called linear polynomial. The general form of linear polynomial is what? Ax plus b, where a is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. A equal to 0, what it becomes? A equal to 0, it becomes b. A 0. 0 and something 0. So 0 plus b, b. B is the constant. No degree here. The degree of the constant is 0 always. The degree of any constant term is 0. The degree of 2, 0. The degree of 3, 0. The degree of 4, 0. The degree of 5, 0. The degree of 100, 0. The degree of 1000, 0. So therefore, we can say that the degree of any constant term is 0. Last one, constant polynomial examples 2, 3, 4, 15, like this. These are all constants. The degree of constants always 0. So, what is linear polynomial? Polynomial whose degree is 1 is called linear polynomial. Example, the general form is ax plus b. You can write the examples on this form. 2x plus 3, 5x plus minus 2. These are linear. Now, quadratic. The general form of quadratic polynomial. What is qua? Qua means 2. Qua means 2. Having 2. So, quadratic polynomial means the polynomial whose degree is 2. The polynomial whose degree is 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Degree 2. The general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0 in this form. The quadratic polynomial will be in this form. Ax square plus bx plus c. The highest degree is 2. The highest degree is 2. It is called quadratic polynomial. So, quadratic polynomial means, so a polynomial whose degree is 2. A polynomial whose degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. The general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. On this example, you can write on this form 2x square minus 5x plus 5. This is quadratic polynomial. Same form. A is equal to what here? 2 is there. B is equal to what here? Minus 5. C is equal to what here? 5. So A, B, C are the coefficients. A is the coefficient of x square, B is the coefficient of x, C is the constant. Cubic polynomial. A polynomial whose degree is 3. A polynomial whose degree is 3 is called cubic polynomial. The cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is cubic polynomial. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, d are the coefficients. A is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. A polynomial whose degree is 3. A polynomial whose degree is 3. The highest power is 3, it is cubic polynomial. The highest power is 2, it is quadratic polynomial. The highest power is 1, it is linear polynomial. So, constant polynomial means any constant numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, anything. So, the degree of any constant is 0. The degree of any constant is 0. Degree of constant. Degree of any constant term. Degree of any constant term is 0. Degree of 3, 0. Degree of 4, 0. Degree of 100, 0. So, this is the classification of polynomials with respect of the degrees. So, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, constant polynomial. This is the today's topic, children. So, you can refer the polynomials in the textbook. You can do the problems. Do these practice problems you work out. So, I hope you understand these polynomials. Thank you, children.